Hello everyone, I'd like to share my latest project, which is a Halloween journal. The cover is made with chipboard and it measures 5.5 wide, 8.5 inches high, and 1.5 inch spine. There are 3 hand stitch signatures for a total of 100 pages. The main digital kit that I used is from Antique Paperie called Sophie's Pumpkin Patch, but I used a lot of elements from other digitals that I'll list in the description box. For the cover, I have some lace. My favorite page out of the kit, I fussy cut this pumpkin and I put it on a couple of layers of cardstock to give it some depth and left some loose bit. So here's an 1.5 inches. And here's the back of the, it's a beautiful collection. It's different. It's not your traditional Halloween Halloween look. So here a bit of lace, and in the front pocket inside the cover is a tag this journal belongs to, but I'll make it over. It's still a bit too high, but it's just a sample. Here is a little pocket that I made with the witch recipe cards. And here are the recipes. The flying potion, Halloween pie, love potion, pumpkin hot pot, the rat stew, snake oil, toad on toast, and a blank. And just a warning, these are not real recipes. Okay, the first signature. There's some tea stain paper. Here there's an envelope. This is from, the envelope is from Tsunami Rose, from her Witch's Brew digital, which is also a nice Halloween digital. And inside the envelope, on vintage onion skin paper, is this invoice. It's not Halloween related, but I just love the grungy look of it. And some vintage writing paper. There's that tea stain paper. More of the, this flips out. That's fussy cutting from the kit. And here's a top tuck with an index card, a bit of fussy cutting, craft paper. The middle of the signature. Here's a jeweler's envelope. Again, some fussy cutting, and the back. And there's nothing inside the envelope. Here is sheet music, which is dance. This is from Tailor-Made Journals Ephemera Halloween pack, which is really nice. And an alteration tag from my Etsy shop. A Halloween definition tag from, I'm not sure how to say it, it's Ilopa on Etsy. They're really nice. And these Apothecary labels are from a digital Curio. So here's the first signature. The second signature. A lot of room for journaling, for adding pictures. Just with the tea stain, make sure no pictures are against it because of it's not I don't remember, I forgot the word. Here's a glassine bag, the journaling card. I did some fussy cutting. This is also from Tailor-Made Journals Halloween Ephemera, with some a little bit of that straw paper and some pom-pom trim. Here this flips out. Another ephemera piece from the Halloween ephemera pack from Tailor-Made Journal. Lots of beautiful items in that ephemera pack. The middle of the signature is a guest check with some fussy cutting. These are the Wicked journaling cards from Calico Collage. You say wicked like it's a bad thing. Some fussy cutting with labels. These labels are from Musings by Nikki. This comes from, oh, the background sheets? No, I'm not sure about that. Again, just like the grunginess of it. Here I made a little folder. These are the alphabet cards from Antique Paperie. And I took the H for Halloween. Inside here, some fussy cutting, some little leftover pieces from the kit. And here I have a rook playing card, which I'm not familiar with that card game. An ice coupon. I just went for the colors. That's for amusement park. A little tag, gift stamp. A ticket. A couple more tickets here. Just a little piece of leftover. And here is an advertising item for, I don't know how to say the word, but it's for relief of bites and stings, mosquitoes and others. Maybe vampires. Some fussy cutting here. In this glassine envelope, I did some fussy cutting. And here I have some Halloween money from Vectoria Designs. I just love it. This is Bank of Halloween. There's a 5, there's a 10, a 20, a 50, 100, and 500. And I printed it on that vintage onion skin paper. It has a nice feel to it. A corner tuck. I like this this lady with their cat dress. Trick or treat yourself. Cats meow. This again is from the Tailor-Made Journal ephemera pack. So here you have that's the second signature. The third signature. Again, that image, which I like very much. Excuse me. This is drawing paper. This is an envelope with the window, the small envelope window from my Etsy shop. And inside I just have some extra little journaling cards that can be included elsewhere in the journal. And these are from the Tailor-Made Journal Halloween ephemera pack. This flips out. Here is a little glassine envelope, small glassine envelope from my Etsy shop, some fussy cutting, and inside some more journaling cards, again from the Tailor-Made Journal Halloween ephemera pack. And the middle of the signature, here is another index card with some fussy cutting. And another journaling card from the Wicked journaling cards from Calico Collage. A definition tag, trick or treat, some sari silk, and some beads from this on the sari silk, which is it's quite neat. Layaway tag with some fussy cutting. This is from my Etsy shop. Here's a corner tuck with some drilling cards. Another little tuck here with another definition tag of magic. And here's the back of the Halloween journal. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.